Why can't you speak English fluently? Watch this video to learn effective ways to improve your fluency. There are several reasons why someone may struggle to speak English fluently. It's important to note that language proficiency varies from person to person, and the challenges one faces may be influenced by various factors. Here are some common reasons and tips for overcoming them. Limited exposure to English. Lack of exposure to the language can hinder fluency. If you don't regularly listen to or engage in English conversations, it can be challenging to develop fluency. Tip: increase your exposure to English by watching movies, TV shows, listening to music, podcasts, or engaging in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of making mistakes can lead to hesitancy and lack of confidence, inhibiting language development. Tip: embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. Focus on communication rather than perfection. It's okay to make errors, they are opportunities for improvement. Limited vocabulary. Insufficient vocabulary can impede fluency. If you struggle to find the right words, your ability to express yourself may be limited. Tip: regularly learn and practice new words. Use flashcards, read extensively, and engage in conversations to reinforce vocabulary acquisition. Grammar concerns. Difficulty with English grammar rules can affect fluency. Incorrect usage or hesitation due to grammar uncertainties may slow down speech. Tip: work on grammar through structured learning, practice exercises, and seeking feedback. Consistent practice will help solidify grammatical concepts. Lack of speaking practice. If you don't actively practice speaking English, it's challenging to improve fluency. Tip: engage in regular speaking practice. Join language exchange programs, find conversation partners, or participate in language meetups to enhance your oral communication skills. Cultural and pronunciation differences. Cultural nuances and pronunciation differences may contribute to difficulties in understanding and being understood. Tip: immerse yourself in the culture by watching native content and practicing pronunciation. Use online tools or language exchange platforms to receive feedback on your pronunciation. Limited self-confidence. Lack of self-confidence can be a significant barrier. Feeling insecure about language skills may hinder effective communication. Tip: build confidence gradually by setting achievable language goals, celebrating small successes, and recognizing your progress over time. Ineffective learning strategies. Using inefficient learning methods can slow down language acquisition. Tip: evaluate and adjust your learning strategies. Focus on practical, real-life scenarios and use a combination of resources such as textbooks, apps, and interactive platforms.